There is a saying in the market that the best time to invest was yesterday and the second best time to invest is today. So everybody is telling about the right time to invest in the market, but nobody is telling us about the time to exit. Now there's a second saying that even a donkey runs during a bull run. So what is euphoria? Euphoria is a situation in the market when all the stocks are trading at all-time high and the investors continue to infuse their money on a continuous basis, expecting that the market would remain bullish. Here are a few traits of euphoria in the market. The first is that the stocks continue to rise in the upward momentum, but there is no strong, solid corporate earnings backing up the same. The second is that there is no strong fundamental or even technical reason supporting the charts. The third is massive oversubscription in the IPOs. But sadly, euphoria doesn't last longer in the market. So this brings us back to our first question. When should you exit? When your financial objectives or goals are met, you should not shy away from booking profits. Maybe you can consider entering back in the market or maybe try cost averaging, but clearly do not shy away from booking profits. Second is stick to your asset class. Equity market has given a solid run-up in the past few years that we continue to undermine the other asset class or the importance of other asset class like bonds, FDs, gold, real estate. So stick to your asset class. Diversification is very important. Third, if you invested in the market using tools like SIP, consider using lucrative tools like STP, which is Systematic Transfer Plan, which allows you to switch from one mutual fund scheme to another under the same fund house. For example, if you're not so bullish about the equity market, you can switch at any time from equity to debt scheme under the same fund house, and that too on an installment basis. Always remember, investing is like a marathon. It's not a sprint. Avoid taking hasty decisions, but at the same time, don't let your emotions take over because volatility can burn your wealth. Timing the market is not important. The time spent in the market is important.